In this video, I'll show you how to edit photos in Google Photos. So tap on the photo that you'd like to edit, and you'll see along the bottom menu, the second option across, it says edit. Tap on that, and that'll open up the edit menu. So there's a number of different things that you can do here. You can change the style of the picture by radiant to make it brighter. And along the bottom menu, you have a crop option. So you can change the aspect ratio of the picture if you want, and you can rotate it, and you can also flip it. And if we come along, we'll have the tools. So there's the blur tool, and there's the magic eraser, and then you also have some filters. You can also use the pen tool if you wanted to write, and there is a brightness tool also. So if you want to make it brighter, tap on brightness and then adjust it, and then press done at the bottom. So once you're happy with your edit, you simply tap on save copy in the bottom right. And that's how to edit photos in Google Photos. So thank you for watching.